Welcome back to Modular Hippo, the channel where I'm trying to build a 36-foot boat. I have decided to start working on the battery packs to make sure that they are completely finished from beginning to end. So I just have one quick question before I start. A quick question. I am going to replace the BMS for the Sailboat batteries so that I can use the heat pads. My previous BMSs didn't support the heat pads. So before I install these, I want to add an extra layer of acrylic as an anti-corrosive measurement. And I'm gonna first clean them off with this PCC and then put a couple of layers of this contact shimmy. So the question is, I've written to the Sailboat engineers for this same question, but it's also interesting to see if any one of you guys have some feedback on this. There are parts on this BMS circuit board that I do not want to cover. For example, the temperature sensor, and there might be other heat elements as well. So a question to you, because I don't know where they are or how they look. If anyone know anything that I shouldn't cover with this acrylic extra layer, then please feel free to put something in the comments and I will make sure that I cover those parts up thoroughly before I actually put this extra layer on. So I'll put two pictures in of the front and the back of the BMS so that you can have a look and give me some feedback if you have any advice to give. Thank you very much.